The first phase of health screening of all guests and crew on board Diamond Princess by Japanese Ministry of Health has been completed. The Ministry of Health has notified us that 10 people have tested positive for coronavirus. These people have been notified and kept in isolation until they will be taken ashore by Japanese Coast Guard and transported to the local hospital for ongoing care. The local public health officer has requested all guests to remain in their stateroom in the best interest of their health for the time being. It has been confirmed that the ship will remain under quarantine in Yokohama. The length of the quarantine will be at least 14 days, as required by the Ministry of Health. Please be advised that later today the ship will go out to sea to perform normal marine operations, including but not limited to the production of fresh water and ballast operations, before proceeding alongside Yokohama, where food, provisions and all other supplies will be brought on board. Guests and crew will continue to be provided complimentary internet and telephone in order to stay in contact with family and friends. The entire ship's company is working to keep all of you comfortable. We are being supported by all Japanese authorities and a team of colleagues around the globe. We will continue to follow the instructions of global medical authorities and the Japanese government, and as of now I'm waiting further direction from the Japanese Ministry of Health. As you well know, this is an evolving situation. It has been such for the last couple of days, and we are doing our best to tell you what we know in a timely manner. I will share more information with you later today, and meanwhile we really appreciate your cooperation and patience as we work through these extraordinary circumstances together. Thank you.